Hello everybody, today we will be playing Indigo Park. Now I haven't posted a new video in a long time because I've been having difficulties, but here we go, we're playing Indigo Park, first time. Alright, let's get into it. Let's do a new game. Oh, we're gonna be chased by a bird, aren't we? It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be so fun. Ooh. This seems nice.
All who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures.
So this is just
the
rip off
exciting potential
Disney.
of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and fantasy, where your...
Hey, that's the same camera I have. Right there. Already seems interesting. Mom's favorite. Aw, man, I want to read that. Is there like a pause button? Ooh, Finley. Indigo Park. Bird Up? Is that rip-off 7-Up? Park set enclosure. Oh, dang, I can't read it. Why can't I read anything? It's too fast. Wrangler? It's a Wrangler. Alright, this seems cool. Chapter 1. Birds of a Feather. It's pretty cool. It's like tight squeeze, but rip-offy. Anyways, dude, these graphics are amazing. What is this? Oh, plushie. Oh, you pick it up? No way! Can someone open the door for me? Is this? Oh, okay, hold on. Let's go over here. Woo! Follow the cable.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park,
Jesus.
the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4
You've
hours,
been
20
keeping
minutes, and 39
track?
seconds.
No wonder why you've gone
Congratulations!
insane.
I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be.
Yeah, I'm
Just
sure it
follow
will
to
be
the
fun, I'm
registration
sure.
center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Okay.
Hi,
Oh.
I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. I don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park? Or did you
No.
just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main
It's
gate.
Saturday,
I
Rambly.
can't wait for you to
I
see
swear.
everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Yeah, me too. I really want to see what this place has to offer. Oh. Just imagine playing this game without using the flashlight. Dude, this is gonna be impossible. Look, another plushie. Oh, we can pick this one up too. Okay.
What's the holdup? The gate is open. Head
No, it's
on
not.
into the entryway.
It's
Hold
not
on.
open.
My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an
Yeah,
error message being sent from the
better
gate's
believe it, it's not
power
open.
unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini Rambly venture. Have fun!
Yeah, I'm gonna have so much fun. Can't wait. Okay. Whoop.
The Indigo
pushy.
Violet compact power generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's
Yeah,
missing a piece.
yeah.
Can you
Looks like
find
it's
it?
missing a gear. Okay. kidding me? Okay. Okay, I was expecting like some long hunt where you have to complete like a quest and a quest, but no. Is this actually gonna work? Oh my god. The most convenient gear in the universe, I swear. What, is there any more plushies? Oh, more plushies. Doesn't look like it.
Okay, for real this time.
Okay, yeah.
Welcome to Indigo Park.
Whoa. I would actually want to go here. I want that plushie. I want that plushie. I didn't get that plushie. I want that plushie. I'm coming for you. And this place is huge. Oh, here you are. Found you. Oh, can I just... Stepping on TV casually? Can I... Can't I just... Excuse me? Oh, damn it. Now I have to do this normal.
Silly Ramley. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff.
Yeah, no kidding, Ramley.
Come in
No
there and
kidding,
I'll get you
go.
set up. Here you go, buddy.
Oh,
Your very
dude, that's
own
sick.
critter
It's like
cuff.
something
A new
straight
way
from
to
like
interact with the
Portal.
park.
But,
That
oh,
also doubles as
yeah.
a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure
That's
agreement
cool.
included.
Alright, alright. No, oh, dude, that's actually sick. I need one of those on my TV. Oh, stupid gate. Can I pick up any of these plushies?
Uh-oh, the door
What?
is
Oh, come on, Ramley, I
seriously
swear.
locked. Why not test out your band and save the day?
Oh, keychains. I want a keychain. Hats, t-shirts. Ding!
Hooray! Great work, buddy. Now
Why does
try
that
entering
look
the
real?
park, and we
Is
can
that
start
real?
our Indigo adventure.
Can I just like... No, I don't want to do it that way. Yeah, better. Do it the greater way. Oh. Cool statue. Dang it, I can't do it that way. Let me take a look at the statue. Oh wait, weren't you looking the other way? Oh my god, his head follows me? I did not. What? Are you supposed to be... Looks like he has hair and beard. Or like a mustache. Like... Okay, that's... Okay, I'm leaving. No thanks. Okay. Got Bird Up. It's like a rip-off 7-Up. Whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, come on. You're kidding me. Oh well. I'm gonna go into the woman's bathroom. Hehehe, who's in here? Oh, oh, give me that. Oh man, no one's... Oh wait. Alright, I swear to god I saw something. Alright, well, anyways, let's just go into the men's bathroom. Doesn't look like there's blush. Let's take a poop. Come on, can I... Man, someone did a mess in here! Man, someone probably had explosive diarrhea. Keep walking.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For
Okay.
the inconvenience, your Ramley Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Let's
Yay!
celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad. To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Alright, let's do it. Well, that's convenient. Oh, I have to walk. Can we jump over these? No. Okay. Oh, what was that? I saw something move.
Older than the target audience.
Those feathers. Feathers.
It's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambley the raccoon loves Rambley's Railroad? Because I like trains.
Oh, convenient. Okay, cardboard cutout, just a cardboard cutout. I saw no feathers, it's just a cardboard cutout. Nothing to be afraid of. Okay. I have a feeling there's going to be a secret, so I'm going to go back. What if I go back? I have a feeling there's going to be a secret. What about Rambly Skibidi Toilet? Does that exist? Rambly Skibidi Toilet? Why is this head back? Hi, Rambly. Why is this line so long? It's not like that many people would like a pink train. Alright. Well, let's go. Loading screen. Okay.
Welcome to Rambly's
Ooh.
Railroad.
Yippee.
Conductor Rambly.
I know that's a TV. You ain't fooling me. Ooh.
Oh look, it's
Hey.
the car.
It's the bird.
The greatest pilot you ever saw!
You sure are, Maul. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming.
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing with style. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you've got along with you look like
Molly, you sound like a horrible pilot with that Walmart plane.
rooftop races.
Admission included with the critter cop.
What if there's something following us? Oh, seagull? This must be Finley.
Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly.
100 years?
Always long, because I'm always
Oh.
longing.
Rambly, you're over 100 years old?
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead?
Whoa, that's kind
My
of
ride,
sus.
Oceanic Odyssey.
Oh, okay,
will
never
teach
mind.
you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as
Oh,
you.
poor Finley.
I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Aw.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repairs.
Oh. Oh, this is that skunk that I heard about. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, Rambly. You can't go 1 second without glitching about? Oh well. I guess it's up to me. Let's see where this cable leads. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. What? Okay. Wow, that's terrifying. Let's grab this. Grab that. Ooh, look. Alright. Lloyd's Limos. What's Finley doing? Hey, yo. Oh, you can... Finley has no hitbox? Interesting. Anything? Yo, Finley's eyeballs looking kinda weird. What are those? Look at Finley looking kinda chill. I was feeling there'll be like a secret or something. Wait, can I climb up these boxes? No, I can't. Anyways, let's go. Don't jump scare me again like that. Okay. Let's go. Now this music is hype though. Yeah. Ooh.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Oh.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the
Oh.
proud, the
Lloyd.
prestigious, the
Okay, I hate Lloyd.
professional Lloydfoot L. Lion.
I hate Lloyd. He's annoying as heck.
Great act, Lloyd.
Oh!
Pause it,
What the?
I'm the real.
What? I did not see that. What? Can I go back, please? I did not notice
So,
that.
what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd.
Oh.
So, where do you want to go?
That bird was following me. That bird was following me, okay. Whew, that's terrifying. I'm gonna go behind here. Hey, what does this say? That's just a calculator. That bird was following me. This is horror game potential. I'll take it. Oh, I said Lloyd. Lloyd. Man, Lloyd's theater is huge. Aw. Aw, dang it. Oh, I want to go in these houses. Oh, let's go in. Ooh, cup. Give me that. Yes, give me that cup. Wait, is there anything else? Nope. Doesn't look. Chocolate muffin! Give me that! Oh, wait, they're probably moldy. Oh, yeah, you can see the mold. Yeah, no, thanks. Don't want that anymore. Okay. What about this room?
Hey, buddy, come over here.
No thanks, not yet. I'm ransacking your place. Oh, this place is pretty nice. Ooh, Rambly plush. Ooh, I'll take that. I'll take that. Alright, fine. I'll go over to your whatever this is.
This here's an information.
Oh, kiosk.
If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Not funny, Rambly. Okay, so I got a couple. What's that one? Huh, I wonder what that's about. And then, whatever that is. And then, so Rambly head. Right? Yeah, that's Rambly. I think. No, Rambly doesn't have two. He only has one. Yeah, see? He has one spike, not two. Interesting. It probably is Rambly. I mean, look at those ears. What else would have that? Besides this guy? That's Lloyd. No doubt. Alright, well, anyways, let's go. Oh. Can I not leave? Oh, well, might as well click on
Oh, I got this. I know the commercial by heart.
Wow, it's the unlimited edition Grambly the Raccoon Fraction figure. Push him down and he jumps. Push him up and he doesn't. Only $19.99 at your favorite toy store.
I want that, though. Oh, well, anyways, let's go. Don't need to know anything about the others. Alright, Jetstream Junction.
Now, look at
Oh,
that. You're at Jetstream Junction. Oops. Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up.
oh.
Check there's a security office.
What a
in the
surprise.
theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can
Theater.
help you get in.
Alright, well, let's try it again. Ooh, vending machine. Give me. I want some Kohler. Mr. Muncher. Water. Diet water. What? Okay, that's a joke. It has to be like diet water. What is diet water? What is diet water? I thought that was gonna attack me. What is diet water? Could someone please tell me what the heck diet water is? Is that just like water, but half Diet Coke? Ooh, let's go. It's pitch black. Alright. Ooh, theater. Lloyd? 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 Lloyd, are you okay? Oh, just... Okay. Well... Lloyd? Oh,
Hey,
oh.
buddy. Got eyes all over the place,
I
but
swear,
I can't see anything behind the
Rambly.
stage.
I
Going back there, be careful.
swear.
Your critter club is not yet
Oh
able
my
to resuscitate
god.
you.
Honestly, I'm really terrified. Like, okay. This is gonna be... Oh wait, I forgot. I need to look at and see if there's any other plushies. Nah, I'll do it after I do this. Wait, no, I'll do... Okay, I ain't looking for those plushies. Oh, but there's also Lloyd here. Lloyd or the bird? Lloyd's a lion, but that bird looks creepy as heck. I'll take the lion. Okay, yeah, I'm taking the bird. Alright, where's that bird at? I ain't doing this, I ain't. Okay. Piano! Oh, this is sick. Oh man, this music is hype. Can I play it again? No, I can't play the piano. Oh well. Alright, it's time to go back to the lion. Oh yeah, I can feel my fear of the dark kicking in. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I hate Lloyd. Okay, why does Lloyd have to... Why does Lloyd have to be here exactly? Can't he be out on the stage? I would rather do a stage boss fight, not this. Oh, get back! Oh. Okay, well, we need to do this quick, fast, and painless. Hey, hi Lloyd. I hate you. Now let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, we're in. Key, give me that, give me that. I need to go as fast as possible. Let me in, let me in. Hate those noises, like cave noises. Let's go, let's go. I need to make this quick and painless. Quick and painless, quick and painless. Quick and painless, quick and painless. What? That wasn't loud, that was just sudden. Okay. Okay, can I please leave? I don't like this. I'm going. Lloyd, I hate you. I swear I hate Lloyd. Oh, it's like a wall. What is this? Okay. I would rather be at Jetstream Junction than that place. honestly. Okay, let's go. Jump. Let's go. Man, I sure wish I knew the time. And I wonder what the time is. Okay, let's unlock this. Ooh, key. Okay, let's go.
Say,
Oh,
why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just
okay.
heading up at Molly's landing pad.
Okay, okay. Oh, dude, that's sick. I'm checking out the garage first. Cool, food court. Ooh, stairs, stairs. They got like an F1 bomber out here, bro. Okay. That's weird, they just got that from the military. Alright, well, let's go. Well, let's check out this place. Ooh, video game. Can I play? I can play. I can play. Let's go. I can play. I can play a video game. No way. Lore? Lore? We got lore? Oh, what if I go this way? No, I can't. Okay. Oh, this is sick. I can double jump. Oh, can I step on you? Yeah, take that. Wow. Ah. Die. Aw, they're in love. That's cool. Let's go in. Boo. Wee. Molly. What happened? Oh, the music stopped. It was like Undertale, I swear. Oh, it's that fox. Or Salem. Oh, she's skunk. Molly, you're fast. You should be fast. You're a bird. You should be smart. Oh, dude, you could have dodged that. I swear. Molly, you're an idiot. Okay, yeah, this is not a kid's game. I swear. Yeah, this is not a kid's game, I swear. Okay, it's playing that Cuphead boss fight music. Ah, step on her. Ow. Step on her. Yeah, she's just those squirrels. Yeah, I Del Taco'd her.
Ben!
Yeah. What the hell? What the heck? Are we okay? Yeah. Oh! I guess strawberry or raspberry or whatever it's called. Yippee! I got a collectible. Okay, then that was fun. Wait, we still need to check out rooftop races. Let's set up here. Aww,
This is
I want to
horrible.
ride it.
Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again.
Yeah.
Don't worry, though. Your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Woo. Woo. Break my legs again. Okay, well, let's do the leg break. Let's go. Ooh, I see a plush. I see a plush. Ooh. Oh, so this weird thing is a lamb or a sheep or whatever it is. That thing's weird. Oh, is that blood? I think that is blood. I don't know. Open up, boy. Oh, I love this. Okay, so it's purple star. Did it get darker? Let's go back to... Yeah, it got darker. If we do this. Oh, what? Oh no, fear of darkness kicking in. Okay, nope, not doing that. Okay, so I searched it up, and apparently it's star, triangle, and then this is circle. What? Okay, maybe this is a circle and this is square. Oh, got it. There we go. Okay. I sense a chase scene coming. Haven't had one this whole game. Oh, well, this looks terrifying. Whee! Oh no, I forgot to see if there was a plush! No. Oh well. Oh, press that button, let's go! Oh, okay, she's either gonna come up from there or there. Oh, yep, chase scene. Yep. Whoa, go. Open up. Yes, it opened. Go. Go. What? No! Oh. Okay, what was that? Okay. What's that? Let's go. Alright, now I know what to expect. It's not that scary. Okay, and dive in. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah, she's coming for that tunnel. Okay. Oh yeah, here. Keep going. Ah. Ooh, break my feet. Honestly, this music is pretty hype. Good chase music. Ooh, up here? Yep, let's go. Okay, up. Okay. Grab that. Let's go. Go, go, go. How did I manage to grab that? Okay. Alright, vents.
Ah, there you are, buddy.
Whoa.
Wait, hold on. This one's staff only.
I don't care, Rambly. Okay, I'm blurring that.
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so... we need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up.
Yeah, no kidding, Rambly, no kidding.
I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park is falling into.
Yeah, it really has. Oh, come on, I had fun. That was amazing.
But, I have an idea. I have access
Okay.
to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
I'll do
See
it.
in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Yeah, let's do it, Rambly. Has it gotten more red, or is that just me? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna blur that.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers, registered, room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler, registered, security room to set yourself free. Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is a registered trademark. That expired.
Oh. Hey.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Rambley's Wranglers room is only
Give
accessible
me
by
that.
Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
Aw. Come on, I'm strong. I'm big and strong. Go on. Take me to him. Come on, dang it. Oh, well, let's get to this room. Okay, finally leaving? We're leaving? Oh. Okay. Ooh, let's go, we're getting out of here. Let's go, freedom! Freedom! Let's go. Oh, kiosk. Oh, we got every single one, let's go! Rambly head. Okay, so we got every single one, so this is, at Rambly minifig. That's that. That's the berry, that's the cup, that's the mask, that's the rainbow, alright, the golden Rambly, that's, the bird. That's Finley. That's Lloyd, normal Rambly, the Rambly hat, and black and white, or cartoon Lloyd. Doesn't look like I can interact with it. I think it's like glitched, so it's like everything's over here. Yeah, it's glitched. I want to click on the Lloyd plush. Anyways, just
Whoa, where'd you
Rambly
find that? I've never seen anyone wearing one. Pretty snazzy. Ooh, looks like there's an audio recording tagged with costume in my database I've never noticed before. Let's listen.
Hey, Jackson, you hear about the new mascots?
Yeah, think it'll put us out of a job?
I think so. Old sport. And right after we got this damn raccoon costume.
Man, screw this place. I said we get our asses out of here and go straight to Vegas.
Aw, come on! They didn't even document the Indigo inventory ID for the costume! I
Yeah,
was
too bad,
really looking
Rambly.
forward to that. What a
Oh.
useless recording. Deleted.
Huh. Too bad, Rambly, too bad.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Let's turn off my
You'll
phone.
find a
Dude, that
potpourri of
looks sick.
porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what might be beneath the surface.
Yo, is that Philly? Philly looks sick. Whoa. Alright, well, I think we beat the game.
Hey, buddy. You okay?
Well, credits.
You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Oh, this is gonna be...
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Were you satisfied with the ride? Were you satisfied with your guide? Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. I'm so happy you rode a ride. I'm so happy to be your guide. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do.
At Indigo Park,
There is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
10 out of 10 horror game. I love that. That was amazing. That was amazing. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That was amazing. Honestly, I'm so excited for Chapter 2. Anyways, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.